Hey guys, we're back for another laundromat video. It's actually 7 a.m. on a Monday morning, and we had some complaints. My brother, who runs the Facebook account, had some complaints about the laundromat being dirty. So we're gonna head over there and see what's going on. On cameras, it looks kind of messy, but sometimes it's hard to see on the cameras. What's actually going on over there. We have a morning cleaner and a night cleaner, so Sunday is their busiest day, so it shouldn't be too bad because the night cleaner has been coming around 9 p.m. So we'll see what's going on. Maybe she didn't show up, or it just was unusually busy or usually messy. It's usually, one customer throws on trash, and then the next customer throws on trash, and sometimes it's usually pretty clean or pretty dirty, but let's walk in and see what we find. All right, we just pulled up. Let's see what's going on here. Holy cow. This place is trashed. Smells terrible in here too. I can already see the comments, and I kind of deserve them for this mess. Oh, it just smells terrible too. Bathroom's the nicest part. Holy cow. Alright, let's get this cleaned up. Got a cigarette butt. Also, too, I want to show you guys this.
I can't even believe I'm saying this, to be honest. You know you can tell me anything. I'm capital VFT42 capital Z lowercase.
One of the changers is out, so let's keep working here. Looks like some of the molding's off. This is why the changer's out of order. It's empty. Changer full. Good for the week. Another cigarette butt. Looks like a $50. This is the amount of garbage that was on the floor and all the washers. I don't know what this is. And we're back, all clean, ready for another day.